Building a house is a big job. It requires careful planning, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But don't let that intimidate you. With the right guidance and a clear vision, you can turn this daunting task into an exciting adventure. But it can also be really rewarding. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your dream come to life, brick by brick, or in this case, plank by plank. The joy of knowing that every corner of the house has your personal touch, every room designed to meet your needs and preferences. You get to make a place that's just right for you. A home that reflects your personality, your style, and your way of living. From the layout of the rooms to the choice of materials, everything can be customized to suit your taste. This guide shows you how to build a wooden house step by step, keeping it simple and affordable. We'll break down the process into manageable tasks, so you won't feel overwhelmed. Whether you're building a small cabin or a spacious family home, the principles remain the same. Whether you're a building pro or just starting out, this guide will help you make your dream home real. We'll provide tips and tricks from experienced builders, as well as advice for beginners. No matter your skill level, you'll find valuable information here. Before we start, you need a good plan. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any successful project. It will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches down the road. This means detailed drawings, a list of materials, and a budget you can stick to. Take the time to research and plan every aspect of your build. This preparation will pay off in the long run, ensuring a smoother construction process. Safety is always the most important thing. Building a house involves many risks, so it's crucial to prioritize safety at every stage. Make sure you and your team are equipped with the right safety gear and follow all safety protocols. Use the right safety gear, work safely, and don't be afraid to ask for help. It's better to seek assistance than to risk injury. Remember, a safe worksite is a productive worksite. This guide will take you through each step. From laying the foundation to the final touches, we'll be with you every step of the way. We'll start with the foundation, the base of your house. A strong foundation is crucial for the stability and longevity of your home. We'll show you how to lay a solid foundation that will support your house for years to come. Then we'll build the frame, the roof, and the walls. These are the structural elements that give your house its shape and strength. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that your build is both sturdy and efficient. We'll also cover important things like plumbing and electricity. These systems are essential for the functionality of your home. We'll provide detailed instructions on how to install them safely and correctly. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches inside and outside to make it your own. This includes everything from painting and decorating to landscaping. These final steps will transform your house into a home. Building a house is a journey. It's a process that requires patience, perseverance, and a lot of hard work. But it's also a journey filled with excitement, creativity, and immense satisfaction. It's not just about wood and nails, it's about making a place where you create memories. A place where you and your loved ones can grow and thrive. So let's begin this incredible journey together and build your dream home. The foundation is super important for any building, especially your wooden house. It's the base that supports everything above it, ensuring stability and durability. Without a solid foundation, even the most well-built structures can face issues down the line. A good foundation keeps it stable, stops moisture problems, and gives a level base for everything else. It acts as a barrier against the elements, preventing water from seeping in and causing damage. This is particularly crucial in areas with heavy rainfall or high humidity. For Baghdad's weather, a concrete slab foundation works well. The hot and dry climate makes this type of foundation ideal, as it provides a solid heat-resistant base that can withstand extreme temperatures. Additionally, it's less prone to shifting and settling, which is important in areas with varying soil conditions. First, get the area ready. This involves a thorough inspection of the site to identify any potential issues that could affect the foundation. Look for things like large rocks, tree roots, or uneven ground that need to be addressed before construction begins. Clear away any plants, trash, or anything in the way. This step is crucial to ensure that nothing interferes with the foundation. Removing debris and vegetation helps create a clean slate for the construction process, reducing the risk of future problems. Make the ground level and pack it down firmly. This provides a stable base for the foundation. Proper leveling and compaction are essential to prevent uneven settling, which can lead to cracks and structural issues over time. Now, mark the foundation lines based on your plan. Accurate measurements are key here. Use stakes and string to outline the exact dimensions of the foundation. ensuring that everything is square and aligned with the building plans. Use boards and string to get the size and corners just right. This step helps to visualize the foundation and make any necessary adjustments before digging begins. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure precision. Next, dig the foundation area to the right depth. The depth of the foundation depends on the type of soil and the building requirements. It's important to follow the guidelines to ensure the foundation is deep enough to provide adequate support. Put down a layer of packed gravel for drainage. This helps to prevent water from accumulating around the foundation, which can cause erosion and weaken the structure over time. Proper drainage is essential for maintaining the integrity of the foundation, then a moisture barrier to keep water out. This barrier acts as a shield, protecting the foundation from moisture infiltration. It's especially important in areas with high groundwater levels or heavy rainfall. Place metal bars, rebars, inside the foundation form to make it stronger. These bars provide additional reinforcement, helping the foundation to withstand heavy loads and resist cracking. Proper placement of rebars is crucial for the overall strength of the foundation. Pour the concrete evenly, make sure it's level, and vibrate it to get rid of air bubbles. This ensures a solid, uniform foundation. Vibrating the concrete helps to eliminate air pockets, which can weaken the structure if left unchecked. Let the concrete dry completely before continuing. This curing process is essential for the concrete to reach its full strength. Rushing this step can lead to weak spots and potential failures in the foundation. This is really important so it gets strong enough. Proper curing ensures that the concrete can support the weight of the building and withstand environmental stresses. Now your foundation is ready to hold your wooden house. With a solid base in place, you can proceed with confidence, knowing that your home is built on a strong and stable foundation. Remember, a strong foundation is important for a long-lasting home. Investing time and effort into building a proper foundation pays off in the long run, ensuring the safety and durability of your house for years to come. With the foundation done, we can build the frame, the skeleton of your house. This is a crucial step in the construction process as it sets the stage for everything that follows. The frame is essentially the bones of the house, providing the structure and support needed for the walls, floors, and roof. This means making the walls, floors, and roof structure with wood. The type of wood you choose is important, as it needs to be strong and durable to support the weight of the house and withstand various weather conditions. Common choices include pine, fir, and cedar. Being precise is really important here. Every measurement and cut must be exact to ensure the frame fits together perfectly. This precision will prevent issues later on, such as uneven walls or floors. Use high-quality tools and take your time to measure twice and cut once. A well-built frame makes the house strong and makes the next steps easier. It provides a solid base for installing insulation, drywall, and other interior finishes. Additionally, a sturdy frame can help the house withstand natural forces like wind and earthquakes. First, put down the sill plate, a treated piece of wood bolted to the foundation. This treated wood is resistant to moisture and pests, ensuring a long-lasting connection between the frame and the foundation. The sill plate acts as a barrier, protecting the frame from potential damage. This connects the frame to the ground. The bolts used to secure the sill plate must be strong and properly spaced to provide maximum stability. This connection is vital for the overall integrity of the house, as it anchors the frame to the foundation. Then, build the floor joists, spaced evenly, and attached to the sill plate. Floor joists are horizontal structural members that support the floor above. They must be installed with precision to ensure a level and stable floor. The spacing between joists is typically 16 inches on center, but this can vary depending on the design and load requirements. Add supports between the joists to make them stronger. These supports, often called blocking or bridging, help distribute the load and prevent the joists from twisting. Next, build the walls. The walls are constructed in sections, which makes it easier to handle and ensures accuracy. Make each wall section on the ground, including the top and bottom, studs and spaces for doors and windows. This method allows for precise measurements and cuts, ensuring that each section fits together perfectly when raised. The studs, typically spaced 16 inches apart, provide the vertical support for the walls. Stand the walls up, make them perfectly vertical, and attach them to the floor. Use a level to ensure the walls are plumb and secure them with nails or screws. This step requires teamwork and careful coordination to avoid any misalignment. Add braces to keep the walls straight until the sheathing is on. These temporary braces provide additional support and stability, preventing the walls from shifting or bowing. Once the sheathing is installed, the walls will be rigid and self-supporting. Finally, build the roof frame. The roof frame consists of several components, including the ceiling joists, rafters, and any necessary supports. The design and complexity of the roof will depend on the architectural plans and the desired aesthetic. This means putting up ceiling joists, rafters, and any supports. Ceiling joists run parallel to the floor joists and provide support for the ceiling. Rafters are the sloped beams that form the roof's shape and support the roofing material. Additional supports, such as collar ties or ridge beams, may be needed depending on the roof design. Your roof design will determine how you do this. Different roof styles, such as gable, hip, or flat roofs, require different framing techniques. It's important to follow the architectural plans closely and ensure all components are properly aligned and secured. Make sure your measurements and cuts are accurate for a strong roof. Precision is key to ensuring the roof is structurally sound and can withstand the elements. Double-check all measurements and use high-quality materials to achieve the best results. A strong frame is key for a durable house. It provides the necessary support for all other components and ensures the house can stand the test of time. A well-constructed frame also makes the installation of other elements, such as windows, doors, and insulation, much easier. Take your time, double-check your work, and don't hesitate to ask experienced builders for advice. Building a house frame is a complex task that requires skill and attention to detail. Consulting with experienced professionals can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common mistakes. Now that the frame is done, let's close in your house and protect it from the weather. This means adding sheathing, windows, and doors, making it look like a real house. First, put sheathing on the outside walls. Sheathing, usually plywood or OSB, makes the walls stronger, gives a place to nail the siding, and helps against strong winds. Put a weather-resistant barrier over the sheathing to keep moisture out. Next, install the windows and doors. Measure carefully so they fit perfectly. Use flashing around them to keep water out. Good windows and doors not only look nice but also save energy by stopping drafts. After the windows and doors are in, put up your siding. You can choose wood, vinyl, fiber cement, or stucco. Each has its good and bad points when it comes to cost, how long it lasts, and how much work it needs. Pick one that fits your budget, what you like, and Baghdad's weather. Okay, now that the walls are up and everything looks good, let's build the roof. This is really important because it protects the whole house from the weather. We'll start by putting down the rafters, making sure they're evenly spaced and attached well. Then we'll add the sheathing, which is the base for the roofing material. Lastly, we'll put on the shingles or tiles overlapping them so there are no leaks. Take your time with this. Being careful here will save you trouble later. And there you have it, the roof is finished. Now let's talk about plumbing and electrical, the important parts of any house. First, make sure all the water pipes are installed correctly and don't leak. This includes the water supply, drains, and any gas pipes. Next, do the electrical system. Carefully run all the wires through the walls and ceilings, following all the safety rules. Put in outlets, switches, and lights where they go. Finally, double-check everything to make sure it works and is safe before moving on. With the plumbing and electrical done, it's time for the inside and outside finishes. Inside, put insulation in the walls and ceilings to keep the temperature comfortable and save energy. Then, put up drywall, tape it, and smooth the seams. After the drywall is ready, you can paint the walls and ceilings. Outside, put up siding or bricks, and don't forget the windows and doors. These not only look good but also protect your house from the weather. Now for the fun part, making it your own. Choose flooring you like, whether it's wood, tile, or carpet. Install kitchen cabinets, countertops, and bathroom fixtures you like. Add your personal touch with lights, hardware, and paint colors. Don't forget the outside. Landscaping, patios, and outdoor lights can make your house look great from the street. These details show your style and make your house a home. Finally, it's time to enjoy your new home. Think about all the hard work you put into building it. Invite friends and family over to celebrate. Relax in your new space, knowing you built it yourself. Whether it's a cozy night by the fireplace or a summer barbecue in the backyard, enjoy these moments and the memories you'll make in your new home.